Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and now let's try to build a tree map. And we use a tree map when we want to represent data in a tree-like structure. So let's build one. So I will click on this tree map button. Then I will drag a category and drop under group. I will also drag subcategory and drop under details, because we want to know the details of category, so we are using subcategory. And we are dragging and dropping it under the details. So again, I will drag sales amount and drop under values. So here already we have our tree map visual, but a big portion of the visual has been taken by the bikes as a category. So I want to try to exclude the bikes so that we can have a better view of the accessories and the clothing, rather the clothing, to give us a better demonstration of a tree map. So I will select the bikes portion, then I will right click and exclude. So now I have two categories of I have two categories for which they are accessories and clothing. So within the accessories as a category, we have subcategories as tires and tubes, bottles and cages, fenders, hydration packs, bike strands, bike racks and helmets. And then clothing, we have jerseys, shorts, gloves, vests and caps. So now let me bring in the data labels. And then let me try if I can put them at the center. So now for this visual we cannot position our data, so the data labels will remain as they are. So let me just try to do a focus mode. Yes, now you can see now we have our tree map, and we have category of accessories and clothing, and we also have subcategory of the accessories and subcategory of the clothing. So as we had mentioned earlier, that tree map is just a representation of data in a tree map, in a tree-like structure. So this is the tree-like structure where we have the category and subcategory. Like now we have accessories and the subcategories, and these are the tires and tubes, helmets, bike racks, hydration, bottlenecks, bottle cages and fenders. And then the clothing, we have jerseys, shorts, gloves, vests and caps. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you understood, and making a tree map is that simple. So let's meet again on the next video.